Hello everyone, I'm Ron Pinar and I was at Winkelspruit 2025 and I just want to share about my testimony. So my biggest fear is actually making people feel disappointed, uncomfortable or not being able to help someone. So it was really hard on me to give my life to Jesus because I felt he was going to be disappointed and bothered with my life and what I did in it. So 2 years ago at Winkelspruit, on the third night actually, I decided to give my heart to Jesus. But I always had this aching feeling after that in my chest, and I just ignored it because I thought it was my guilty conscience about the sins I committed. So at the second day in the morning worship, our pastor told us that not everyone has given their heart to Jesus, and I ignored it because I didn't think it was applicable. And the night he mentioned it again, and that we should give it the deepest part of our heart and our deepest secret. So I don't know why, but I decided to kneel and pray to ask God what the deepest part of my heart was, and it was actually unresolved childhood trauma that kept me from giving my heart, and that was the cause of my biggest fear. So I felt really stressed and depressed about that because the 2 years I spent on building my relationship with God was built on lies, so it wasn't really a deep connection. The next night, I decided to give my whole heart to Jesus, and not even 2 minutes after that, my friend came and prayed for me, and that God was really happy that I gave my life to Him, and that He really adored the love that I gave, and that He had big plans for my life. The night after that, I think it was the last night, my other friend came and prayed for me and gave me a calling about what I was going to be in life, and that I was going to help other people, which made me really happy. So yeah, that was my testimony of this year's Winkelspruit. It really helped me a lot, and I would do it again if I had choice. Thank you.